the asset insight also helped us to do smarter allocation of existing resources. And it wasn't just, the structural deficit in terms of the money, but it helps us in so many other ways. It helps us to kind of know the need where we need to replace certain things, or do we need to extend it, or do we need to consolidate things? And I think that was also huge in our case. We found out again, this purchasing that we were doing for so many areas that we needed to account for, and we were not presenting that data the right way. For instance, after looking at the data usage in a Mac and PC lab, 50 computers, a brand new building that we put up, and all the deans said, "Oh, we want to have a mixed environment." Well, after a year, and we're new to Oomnitza, we pulled the data and we go, "Wait a minute, only the faculty members from certain departments are being scheduled there because they favor that lab, and certain software are being used in that place, and the Mac usage is quite underutilized." And so we had to pull that data and go to the people who have been requesting for Mac and say, "This is not working right, and this is not the right, use of resources." So we were able to make that switch and make that one lab completely be a PC lab. And that ended up, that wasn't about spending more, but it was about optimizing what we already had to better serve the instructional needs of the area. And again, with those data that we're presenting to them, they like it because now we have the proof right there. It's not, again, us or my team talking about certain things and certain needs of the area. So those were some other wins for us in terms of the, how we use Oomnitza.